J. Chavacharya, Principal Solutions Architect in Absolver. Today I am going to show you how Absolver handles schema inference and schema evolution, two things pretty much every data engineer has to deal with. When you consume a new dataset for the first time, traditionally you would define your stage table schema or your target table schema for this dataset and then load the data into this table. Later, as your data evolves, your schema changes, like new columns get added, existing columns get dropped, or maybe the data type of an existing column change, etc. You will need to run some maintenance on these tables, like alter them, and then maybe also tweak your data pipeline to account for the schema change. With Absolver, beauty is that schema will be automatically inferred and automatically evolved continuously. Let's hop on a quick demo. So this is the Absolver UI. I will be illustrating a Postgres CDC to Snowflake use case, but same applies to any source and any target. Let me also show you the Postgres employee table really quick. This is the table that we will load into Snowflake. So it has like all these columns and some data is already preloaded for you. I'm using an existing connection, an existing publication, and this publication just has the employee table. All the columns of the table are automatically selected. Again, I'll use an existing Snowflake connection. And then I want to do an exact replication of this table. We just pretty much go with the default settings, and then this no code wizard automatically generated the script for you. Let's run that. Absolver will first snapshot the table and then start streaming it. The table is currently in snapshotting phase. As soon as this snapshotting is finished, we will be able to see the data loaded into Snowflake. The table has finished snapshotting and it's now in streaming phase. Let's hop onto Snowflake. I've done a select star from the table and we can see the data is replicated into Snowflake already. Now I will simulate a situation where your data has changed in Postgres source. So let me alter the Postgres source table. Add a new column, current job title, alter the manager ID data type to varchar 12, and also drop the commission % column. So once I have altered this, let me load some data per the new schema into the table. So the Postgres schema is altered and some data is loaded. So if you can see, these records have this new column, current job title column. The commission % column is dropped, and also the manager ID column is now a varchar. So let's hop on to Snowflake to see how Absolver has loaded these new records. So here you can see the records pertaining to the new schema also got loaded into Snowflake without any intervention from the data engineer. The new column, current job title, is loaded for the new records. The commission % column, which was dropped in Postgres, but in the new column in Snowflake, Absolver did not drop this column because it already had data from the past records. So we don't want to lose that data. Hence, Absolver just populated null for the new records which are put in the new schema without the commission % column. And then for the manager ID column where the data type was changed, Absolver added a new column per the new data type and loaded the new values into the new column. Thereby you can coalesce both the old column and the new column for any future downstream purposes. So that's all for this demo. So you saw Absolver automatically infers and evolves the schema continuously. And you almost get the same level of performance as you are not scanning the data separately for schema inference, a problem with many other alternate solutions in the market. Absolver is inferring and evolving the schema continuously as the event comes in, as the data is ingested.